Customers expect things to be right every single time, the first time. That's really what we strive to do here, and the suite of Autodesk software that we use really aids in making sure that we're successful doing that. We manufacture metal stampings, plastic injection mold tools that range from 55-ton presses up to 850-ton molding pressure. We've been partnered with Autodesk using Moldflow, PowerShape, and PowerMill since 1992.
We do all of our design in PowerShape. So once you bring the part in, I'll design the water, bring it into Moldflow, test it, tweak it a little in PowerShape, bring it back into Moldflow and test it again. It's relatively simple. The two programs mesh well together. We use Moldflow to determine the best gate locations. You'll then pick one and then run your fill analysis. Once you have the fill analysis and you make sure that the part fills correctly, then you can start to tweak the different packing pressures and the waterline locations in order to get the part out of their highest quality and least warp.
It aids us in getting the same information from our designers to the guys on the shop floor in a consistent manner so that we can eliminate the amount of questions and mistakes that happen on the shop floor.
Speed's the number one thing, really. We want to get stuff in and stuff out. PowerMill helps us do that with these complex jobs, with the tight tolerancing and the multi-axis setups on all types of different mills. With Moldflow in our building, we see a lot less rework, jobs that are coming out right. We don't have to set them back up again.
We're able to look at part designs as they get more complex and apply different techniques to make things more efficient, as well as work with new equipment. Autodesk has been a great partner to work with. They have a lot of support. When we have questions, they have a great online tool for submitting issues you might have or questions you might have and getting timely responses. We're able to predict warp. We're able to choose good gate locations. And come up with a better process for molding the parts, which has really saved us on reworking tools to correct errors dimensionally. It's been a huge savings to the company with the amount of molds that we build.